Hey everyone, welcome back to Muscle Factory. Today, we're diving into the amazing benefits of planking every day for just 1 minute. If you're ready to transform your body and mind, keep watching. Bodyweight exercises. Bodyweight exercises are making quite a buzz in the fitness world because they're simple and practical. You can get in shape using just your own body weight. Timeless exercise. Planks are one such exercise that never gets old. Perfect for those with busy lives who find it hard to hit the gym regularly. Doing a plank every day, even for just a minute, helps strengthen your entire core. Fitness experts agree that planking is one of the most effective exercises to tone your abs. It's even more effective than crunches. What happens when you plank daily? So, what happens when you plank every day for 60 seconds? Let's find out. Benefit 1. Reduces risk of back and spinal injuries. It significantly reduces the risk of back and spinal column injury. When done correctly, planking strengthens your back muscles without putting too much pressure on your hips and spine. This helps ease back pain and improves your posture when sitting and walking. Number 2. It defines your abs. Planks target every major core muscle, including your obliques and abdominals. As you get stronger, you'll also notice improvements in other exercises like squats and deadlifts. Plus, ladies, planking also boosts gains in your booty. Benefit 3. Boosts your metabolism. Planks engage several muscles at once, helping you burn more calories than other abdominal exercises like crunches or sit-ups. More muscle mass means a faster metabolism, leading to more calories burned even at rest. Benefit 4. It enhances your overall balance. Struggling to stand on one leg? Planking strengthens your core muscles, improving your balance and performance in sports and physical activities. Benefit 5. It benefits you mentally. Planking influences our nerves, making it a great method to improve your mood. It stretches muscle groups that affect stress and tension in the body, helping to reduce anxiety and even depression symptoms. So, will you start doing planks tomorrow? If so, make sure to come back and share your results after a month of regular planking.